Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a multiple choice question, and let's see how it goes. Which of these number sentences is true? 3 over 10 of 50 is 50% of 3. So, let's do each of these and see which one is correct, okay? So, to the right-hand side here, 3 over 10, so let's go 3 over 10 times 50 over 1. Let's cancel those zeros out, and we're left with 3 times 5 is going to be 15. Now, is that equal to 50% of 3? Well, we don't have to do any calculation here. 50% of 3 is half of 3, which is 1.5. So that would mean A cannot be true. So we're going to cancel A out. Now, let's do 3% of 50. So on the right-hand side here, we're going to say 3% of 50. So that's going to be 3 over 100. Times 50 over 1, and we're going to just cancel those out, and we're left with 3 times 5 is equal to 15, and that's going to be over 10 times 1, which is 10. Okay, so that's going to be 15 over 10. Now let's do 6%, so 6% is 6 over 100, times 100 over 1. Those two cancel, and we're left with 6. So we know that B cannot be true. Let's move on to 50 divided by 3 and 30 divided by 50. So if we look at 30 divided by 50 and we look at 50 divided by 30, we know that there is no way the two can be equal to each other, because this number is going to be less than 1 and this number is going to be greater than 1. So that leaves us with D, which needs to be the right answer. So let's give it a go. So we've got 3 over 10 times 50 over 1. We cancel out those zeros. We're left with 15. Okay, let's do 5 over 10 times 30 over 1. We cancel those zeros. We've got 15. So as we can see, the two are equal to each other, and therefore D must be the right answer. That's all from me, guys. Thanks so much to our sponsors. Remember to check our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you have a question that hasn't been answered yet, send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.